Hello guys, good morning. So guys, this is my 18th day of English speaking challenge. So I'll use my both hands, okay, at the time of speaking. So listen to me and watch me carefully that what I'm trying to do here, and whatever the things I will do in front of you. So look at me carefully, okay, and listen to me also, okay. So let's start our video. So by speaking, so talking on the camera is talking on the talking so speaking on the camera is very difficult for everyone, I know. And if the person practice practices daily if the person practices daily, then it is possible, yes. Each and everything is possible in this world, yes. But no one thinks it that is it no one thinks it that it is possible. Everybody thinks that nothing is impossible. Why they believe, yeah? Why they believe in it? Why they believe in it? Rather than the word says itself that I am possible, yes. If you look at the word, and if you zoom out, and if you zoom it, and if you zoom in, then you will see that the word is saying I am possible. But if we look at from the if you look at from the away, if you look at the word possible from the zoom, if you look at the if we look at the word, no, if you do the word zoom out, if the word, no. So guys, whenever so guys, the word says itself I'm possible, but if we do this word zoom out, then the word is saying impossible, right? Impossible. And we also used to think and we also used to think that nothing is impossible, okay. So you have to change your mindset, first of all, okay. You have to develop the art of speaking, you really need to develop this habit, means having a very good communication skill is very important for everyone. There are two things required for everyone. There are two things required here. First is communication skill, and second is computer knowledge, yes. Computer knowledge is very important nowadays to get a good job, yes. And english is also involved there, you must have the art of speaking, in English, yes. And I want to develop this habit, means I want to develop the art of speaking. And I have to, first of all, I have to learn to speak in English, yes, first of all, yes. And I have to, no, i'm trying to I'm trying to develop some confidence into me. I'm trying to develop some confidence into me, so that if I get any kind of people, and if he's speaking to me in English, then I'll talk to him. Then I'll talk to him in. Then I'll talk to him. Then I'll talk to him in English too. Yes. So this is my mindset. So this is my mindset, and I'm working on my mindset every day, and I'm working on my mindset every day. I have to learn this, yeah. I have to learn this at any cost, at anyhow, yes. And I'm suggesting to everyone that if you don't have confidence, then try opening your camera and start speaking, yes. And thereafter you will get, and thereafter you can develop this habit into you, yes. You can develop this habit into you, yes. So so I know English is not English is naturally English is naturally English is naturally not your mother tongue, like Hindi. We are speaking in Hindi all the time. We speak in Hindi all the time. Whether we used to we used to speak in Hindi, right? and and all of a sudden someone tells you that you have to speak in English, you have to speak in English. Then your mind shifts, and it takes some time that you have to shift in English, you have to make the environment, you have to create the environment into you, and thereafter you have to start speaking. Okay, so all this process takes time, all these processes takes time. Okay, so if I would rather say about Hindi, then hindi Hindi language does not take time. Hindi language does not take time. Means we can express our emotions, feelings, anything without any hesitation, or nervousness. Yes, or without any nervousness, without being nervousness, and without being nervous, and without any hesitation. Yes, but if I talk about English, then english takes English takes effort. Yes, means 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 somewhere if I would rather say then whenever you try to speak in English, then you have to put some stress, you have to put some stresses, you have to put some stresses, and thereafter you start speaking. Yes, means in somewhere in somewhere it is looked, then it takes effort here, it takes effort. But if the if the english would be if the english would be our if the English would be our mother tongue, then it will be quite easier to us, it will be quite good for us. Yes, so don't worry guys, we can develop this habit into us, and one day we will be very fine in English, and one day we will be very fine in English, Yes, each and everything takes time, so i have to I have to give my time to means I have to I need to take some time, for learning English. Yes, I need to take some time for learning English, and I don't know how long it will take, but I have to give. Okay, and yesterday he was asking me that why are you so much stressed, why you are why you are doing overthinking, why you are overthinking. do do you have any do you have any affair do you have any affair do you have any affair Okay, do you have any affair with any girls, do you have any affair with any girls, do you have any affairs, do you have any no do you have any affairs with any girls? Then I said no, but still I have affairs with Khushi. Yes, I have affairs with Khushi. Affair. Yes. So because of this, my mind gets distracted. Means whenever her message comes to me, then my mind gets activated that I have to reply her as soon as possible. Don't take time, Samir. Go to the WhatsApp and reply her as fast as you can. Okay. So I have made my mind that you have to you have to reply her whenever her message comes. Okay, whenever her message comes. Okay, so you never have to be late while replying the messages. Okay, of Khushi. So each and every time I think on my mind that I used to think on my mind that why I'm taking time for this. I should reply her. I should go to the WhatsApp and reply. Means I'm a very nice guy. I'm a very nice guy. And I have heard And I have watched some videos that stop being too nice, because nice guys is controlled by everyone. Yes, and I don't want to be a nice guy, but I have already become. Then how to get rid of this? How to get over this problem? How to get over this problem? Yes, I have to know that. I have to find out that. I have to figure out that. I have to figure out that. I have to figure that out. Yes, I have to figure that out. So, so Gulam Bhaiya was asking me about this. That, do you have any affairs with any girls? Then I said, yes, I have affairs with. Yes, I have an affair. Yes, I have an affair. But I can't tell her names. I can't tell her names. I can't tell her names. I can't take her names right now, because it's more personal. Because it's more personal to me, and I love her so much. So, guys, this is all about today. So, see you at the same time, at the same place. I'll be back more such videos on tomorrow onwards. Until you take care, bye.